Welcome to part 2 of the NJMap video tutorial series. Today we'll be talking about the sidebar on our web maps and what all of these buttons do. First, you should know if you ever forget what a button does, hovering over it will provide a description. At the top here is the home button. It will take you to the NJMap homepage. Below that is the Show Hide menu button. Get that table of contents out of the way for the best viewing experience. The Map menu button will allow you to jump to any other map or project powered by NJMap. If you're zoomed into a certain spot on the map, the next map will open up to the exact same latitude, longitude, and level of zoom, so you don't have to worry about losing your place. Further down, we have the search button. This is for finding a location on the map. You can search for a place of address and jump right to it. Or, if you have the coordinates, you can search using those too. Neither will work if you search for a place outside of New Jersey. Further down is our Downloads button. If the map you're currently viewing has any GIS data available for download, you'll find it here. Most of the blueprint maps, for example, have their priority models available. Next down is the Share button. Share the URL for the exact map you're looking at by clicking Copy Link. It's useful to note that sharing in this way will capture zoom level and location, similarly to changing the theme. It will also remember which layers are turned on. Back to that Share button menu for a second. Here you can like us on Facebook. You can also share NJMap for others to like. Which reminds me, like and share our Facebook if you haven't already. Have feedback, questions, or suggestions? This next button's for you. The comment button takes you to the contact form on our home page. Let's skip that circled I for a second and go to the print button. This does exactly what it says, and will capture the table of contents and whatever layers you have turned on. Change the settings to your liking. Save it as a PDF or print it. Or change it to landscape mode if you think that's a better fit. That circle I skipped is the help button, and it'll take you to this video series. Lastly, the title at the bottom of the sidebar will bring you to the home page for the project your map belongs to. In this case, it was Conservation Blueprint. If we were looking at farmland loss, it would be Land Change Viewer. That sums up the sidebar. Good luck and happy mapping.